Manga kabi versus mutual fund. Who will win? Iramda Manipurda mari kabi, manga kabi invest mayam taunari. Kanabasu mayam pangnari. Aduga mutual fund su mayam invest taunari. Kanabasu mayam pangnari. Anigi khenaba yengminasi aduga kanana henna kanaganisu yengminasi. Manga kabi individual or family da invest tawani. Makoina seasoning ba mafamda seasonagani. Mutual fund asset management company da pigani. Aduga company adugi expert singna tongan ba mafamda invest tawbigani. Manga kabi anytime invest tawa yaroi. Mutual fund anytime invest tawa yagani. Manga kabi anytime withdraw tawa yaroi. Mutual fund anytime withdraw tawa yagani. 1 to 5 working days ti changani. Manga kabigi regulatory body leiroi. Mutual fund gi regulatory body legani. SEBI AMFI. Manga kabi power of compounding leiroi. Mutual fund power of compounding legani. Manga kabi SIP facility leiroi. Mutual fund SIP facility legani. Who will win? Manga kabi invested amount rupees 1 lakh, rate of return 5% per month. After 1 year, you're earning rupees 60,000. Mutual fund invested amount rupees 1 lakh, expected rate of return 15% per annum. After 1 year, you're earning rupees 15,000. Manga kabi win. After 20 years, your manga kabi earning rupees 12 lakh and your mutual fund earning rupees 15.37 lakh. Mutual fund win. After 40 years, your manga kabi earning rupees 24 lakh and your mutual fund earning rupees 2.67 crore. Oh my god, mutual fund win again. Observation: atenba matamda manga kabi na kanai. Aduga long term dana mutual fund na kanai.